Today we will derive the kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion by graphical method. So this is a velocity time graph where the initial velocity is u at time t equal to 0 and final velocity is v at time t. Okay, so this will be v minus u because total is v and this is u. Okay, now first equation के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will find the slope of this velocity time graph. We know that this is a uniformly accelerated motion where acceleration is constant. So its slope of vt graph is give us the acceleration which is nothing but v minus u upon t, because slope is nothing but perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is v minus u upon base is t. So this will give the slope which is nothing but the acceleration. तो इससे हमें मिल जाएगा v minus u is equal to at by cross multiplying and we get v equal to u plus at. So this is our first equation. Second equation के लिए हम जो है एरिया देखेंगे under the velocity time graph. Okay, so s that is the displacement is nothing but area under the velocity time graph. अब एरिया में जो है हमारे पास दो फिगर्स हैं, वन इज द रेक्टेंगल, अदर इज द ट्राइंगल. सो रेक्टेंगल का एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? दैट इज u इंटू टी, दिस इज u इंटू टी, प्लस ट्राइंगल का एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? हाफ इंटू बेस, बेस इज t इंटू हाइट, हाइट इज v माइनस u. ओके, और दिस वी कैन री राइट एज ut प्लस हाफ t एंड v माइनस u इज नथिंग बट at. तो v माइनस u की जगह हम at रख देते हैं. सो वी विल गेट ut प्लस हाफ a t स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज अवर सेकंड इक्वेशन. थर्ड इक्वेशन के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल अगेन सी द एरिया अंडर द वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ एंड बट वी विल नाउ सी द एरिया ऑफ द trapezium. This is a trapezium. Okay, so area under this trapezium will also give us the displacement. Okay, so what is the area of this trapezium? That s is nothing but area of the trapezium. Trapezium, these two parallel sides, one is v, another is u. So we can say that v plus u by 2 into distance between the two parallel sides which is t. Okay, अब हम t को जो है यहाँ से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं by this equation. So we know we can write v plus u by 2 into, instead of t we can write v minus u upon a by this equation. So t is v minus u upon a. So this will become v square minus u square upon 2a is equal to s. So if we cross multiply we get v square equal to u square plus 2as, which is the third equation. So that is how we can derive the three equations by graphical method. Thank you and wish you all the best.